Ever pondered the art of crafting the ultimate steak dinner? It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas, a culinary masterpiece that leaves an indelible imprint on the palate. What if you could recreate that experience right in your own kitchen? Well, brace yourselves, because today we delve into the intricacies of preparing a sumptuous steak dinner, adorned with special herbs and paired with a divine red wine. To start, we'll need a prime cut of beef, a ribeye or sirloin perhaps. This choice sets the tone for our gastronomic adventure. For the herbs, think fresh rosemary, thyme, and garlic. These will elevate the steak's flavor profile, transforming it into an unforgettable dish. And of course, we can't forget about the wine. A robust, full-bodied red will complement the steak beautifully, enriching the overall dining experience. Now, onto the cooking process. First, take the steak out of the fridge at least 1 hour before cooking. This allows it to reach room temperature, which is crucial for even cooking. While it's resting, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, season the steak generously with salt and pepper. Don't hold back. This is your chance to infuse the meat with flavor. Then, heat a heavy-bottomed skillet over high heat. Once it's piping hot, add a glug of olive oil and place the steak in the pan. Sear the steak for about 2 minutes on each side, creating a beautiful caramelized crust. After that, toss in your herbs and a couple of garlic cloves, and transfer the pan to the preheated oven. Roast the steak for about 10 minutes for medium rare, or longer if you prefer your steak more well done. Once the steak is cooked to your liking, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist, tender steak. In the meantime, pour yourself a glass of that luscious red wine. You've earned it. Finally, slice the steak against the grain, revealing its juicy, perfectly cooked interior. Serve it up with your favorite sides, perhaps some roasted potatoes and a crisp green salad. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality steak dinner, made right in your own kitchen. To recap, we started with a prime cut of beef, seasoned it generously, seared it to perfection, roasted it with herbs and garlic, and let it rest before slicing. Paired with a robust red wine, it's a meal that's sure to impress. So, next time you're yearning for a steak dinner, remember, you have the power to create something truly extraordinary. All it takes is a bit of time, a touch of patience, and a passion for good food. Bon appetit!